Hello everyone. Uh, Today I'm going to explain about my project on laptop price predictor. So in this project we will have to predict the price of the laptop by seeing some of its uh, columns like how much RAM is there, how much which SSD, what is the graphic cards. After knowing all these things, we have to predict the what will be the price of the laptop. So here you can see I have imported the data set, and we have 1303 rows and 12 columns. So in information you can see here that one unnamed column which has uh, uh, unnamed zero, this is not useful a column, but in company type name, inches, skin resolution, CPU, RAM, memory, GPU, opsys, weight, price. So we have tried to find out the how many duplicates values are there, how many uh, null values are there. So there's no duplicate, no null values. So we have dropped unnamed column because that was not useful at all. And now we will see that all these columns here, that will show which company that laptop belong to, what type of laptop it is, ultrabook or notebook, how many inches, what is the screen resolution, what is the CPU, what is the RAM, memory, GPU, operating system is Mac OS or window, what type it is, how much weight, what is the price. uh, Actually this one we have to predict. So later on we will remove this from here. So in this what we'll do in if you see in the screen resolution, there are so many information is hidden here. So IPS, screen IPS, and also it's showing that what type of resolution, how much resolution. So there are two, one, two, and more full HD. This is also one more information. So we will extract all this information in different column later. And here if you'll see that in CPU there are many more information are there, like what is the GHZ, uh, Intel core or something else, or i5, i3 or i7. And in GB, if you'll see here RAM, we will remove GB here to make it fully integer, right? And in memory we will extract only integer values, and that what type of SSD is there, flash storage or SSD or HDD, we will extract these values in different column later. And in GPU if you'll see here, here also so many information are there, like is it Intel type or AMD type, right? So we will also extract this one, and then we will come to we will in weight we will remove this kg from weight. And in operating system is okay, we will later see that. So if you in RAM, if you see, what I have done is I have removed the GB, this GB from RAM, so that it can become fully integer. And in weight also I have removed kg. So now if you see here, there is no GB, there is no kg. And later I have converted that object type into integer and float, because kg, in kg it can be float, right? So now if you see here, weight, it has converted into float. And if you see that RAM, it has converted into integer. So now I'm importing the cpon to plot some graphs. So I'm plotting this plot for price. So here you can see that for price is ranging from here to around 2 lakhs. Sometimes it's going above 2 lakhs, but those type of laptop are very rare. Maximum laptop you see here is around 40 to 50,000, right? maybe 30 to 50,000, you can say. Those are the maximum. Also this is a little skewed, right? This is not uh, uh, fully normal. And if you see the company value counts, then this also Dell company sell most of the laptop, which is more than 250, right? More than 250 laptops Dell has. Lenovo has more than around 300 HP also, and SR, MSI, these laptop have very less number. So if you see here company and price, if you are comparing, then most of the expensive laptop are coming from Razer, and then Apple company is having a price almost around 80 to 70,000, right? And lowest price you will see here, a company called Vero. We even haven't heard the name also. And Mediacom, also Chewy. These laptop we have never heard of, but these are the company which are selling in very very less price. So if you'll see DF type name and value counts, then notebook are being sold most, gaming laptop then highest, after that ultrabook, and then notebook and workload. So if you are seeing bar plot, type name and price, if you are comparing, then uh, workstation is having the highest price, right? And then gaming laptop are highest, and lowest, if you'll see, then notebook are going lowest price. So if you'll see inches, then in inches also most expensive price is coming from almost 16 inch, not exactly, but um, you can say 15.8, or 5 inch is the highest selling. Mm, if you compare inches with price on a scatter plot, then you can see the 16-inch price is scattering from, here, but highest scattering you see here. And if you are applying value count on screen resolution, then you can see full HD 507 laptop have been sold, uh, 200, and lowest price IPS touch screen laptop have been sold. So now what I'm gonna do in screen resolution, I'm going to apply lambda, and I'm going to separate it by 1. If touch screen है column में, then we have to give 1, and if it is not there, we have to give a 0. So if you'll see, one more column is made here with 0 and 1. So here it is showing 1, it means touch screen is there, and if it is showing 0, then touch screen is not in this screen resolution, right? Again I will see the touch screen with value counts, then we can see uh, it has almost 200 touch screen, and uh, without touch screen we can see more than 1000. So now I'm comparing touch screen with the price. You can see price is also increasing with the touch screen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply lambda. So if the screen is IPS, then it will return 1 to make a new column, and if it is not, then it will return 0. So one more column you see in the end, IPS, it is returning 1 when screen is IPS, and here it is not IPS, it is not IPS, not here it is IPS, then again it will return 1 0 0. So I'm extracting all the important information from this into a new column, and later I will drop this column. So again I'm comparing IPS with the value counts, and on bar plots, then you can see IPS with the price. Here price is increasing when the IPS is there, and IPS is not there, then price will obviously be lower than what is the average price, right? So comparing now screen resolution, again we are splitting, and it will return uh, split at x, and return n is equal to 1, and expand. So I'm expanding all this information, this screen resolution, I'm expanding this at different places, and at x um, I'm giving a new name, x resolution and y resolution, storing that new 0 in x resolution and new 1 into y resolution, right? So if you see, two more column will be made in the end with x resolution and y resolution, right? You can see here 0, and what I have done I will explain you. So if you will write it in here, wait, control C, and if you try to see, not full man, let's delete this person. Yeah, if you run this, then you will see. No, I have to run this again to see that. Let me do this. Run all. Let's see if it's gonna work. It should work. Let's see. So I will tell you what I'm gonna do. And screen resolution, I'm going to expand this. So this will become separate, this will become separate, this will become separate, and here or if this one is, then it will be expanded, and this one will be expanded, right? So that's what I have done. After splitting n1, and you can see here I'm storing expanding from here this one in two parts, and from this value will be stored in x resolution, and this value will be stored in y resolution, right? So if you see here in the column x resolution and y resolution, there are two columns here, 1080, where is 1080, let me show you, 1920 and 1080. Yeah, this one stored in y resolution, and this one is stored in x resolution, right? All the information will be, so I have split it on this multiplication, right? I have split it there. If I will not give this multiplication, then it will not split from here, right? So okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do x resolution, and again I'm gonna replace a comma. If you'll see x resolution, and if you see any comma in there, I'm going to replace that comma with a space, sorry, that what exactly, yeah, with the space, and then I have tried to find all. So this is actually not part of the Python. What you explain, I will try to explain you this. Wait, where is C? Yeah, let's